Hey everyone, welcome back to AlwithShuaib. I'm super excited to bring you something special. Starting this month, I'm launching a brand new MLOps playlist, a complete journey from beginner to advanced, all in one place. This playlist will guide you through the entire machine learning pipeline, from data to deployment, automation, and monitoring, over the course of 12 months. We'll be working with the most powerful tools and libraries in the MLOps ecosystem, including Docker and Kubernetes, MLflow and DVC, BentoML, FastAPI and Flask, GitHub Actions, Airflow, Prometheus, Grafana, and Cloud Platform, Azure and AWS. Each video will be project-based, practical, and beginner-friendly. By the end of this series, you'll be ready to build and manage production-grade ML systems. So, if you're serious about becoming an MLOps pro, subscribe to AlwithShuaib, hit that bell icon, and join me on this exciting journey. This is just the beginning. Let's build real-world AL solutions, one step at a time. See you in the first episode.